In today's lesson, you will learn 5 advanced words to replace very. This will make your English sound smarter.
Very tired.
Don't say very tired. Say exhausted.
I'm exhausted.
I'm exhausted.
Very cold.
Don't say very cold. Say freezing.
Hey, it's freezing. It's freezing cold!
Very interesting.
Don't say very interesting. Say fascinating.
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 Very angry.
Don't say very hungry. Say starving.
I'm starving. I'm starving.
Very good.
Don't say very good. Say excellent.
Excellent. Excellent.
If you love this lesson, subscribe me for more natural and powerful English.